So let's talk about Tandberg FindMe, a powerful feature of the Tandberg Video Communication Server.
All right, so we're in the FindMe interface. Any end user can reach this through their web browser, and this is where the end user can control what devices ring when another user calls their FindMe address. So there are two separate sections here on the interface, My Devices as well as My Locations. So let's start with My Devices. And here is where the user will be able to set up pretty much any video, telephony, or UC devices that they use on a day-to-day basis. So you can see here I've set up my Office MXP, my Home Office E20, my Movi account. I've set up even my Microsoft OCS 2007 mock client, my mobile telephone, as well as my office telephone. So let's say I want to add a new device. So I recently started working at a branch office quite a bit, and I'd like to set up an E20 there since I'm working there so much. So I simply go into Add Device like I have here, and I begin to name the device, E20 Branch Office. So I just need to add in the address column here, the address of this device, which I've done here, and then select the corresponding picture of the device. Here it's an E20, so I'm going to select here and then save. And now you can see I've added for the branch office an E20 there. So this address is permanently configured in My Devices, and anytime I need to select devices, I'll have that available to me. Okay, so we've added the E20 to the branch office. Now I'm going to go over to My Locations, and Tandberg FindMe, really what it allows me to do is set preset locations that I commonly work at in the office, home office, or on the road, and associate different devices with those. So depending on which of these is selected, this is what's going to ring, my Office MXP, my office telephone, or my OCS when I'm in the office, or correspondingly when I'm in the home office or on the road, these devices will ring. So since I've created the branch office E20, I need to create the branch office as a location. So I do this simply by clicking here, add a new FindMe location, and then this interface will come up. I just need to name the location, branch office, and then go through each of these devices and select which of these I want to ring when somebody calls my FindMe address and I'm at the branch office. So let's go ahead and select the E20 branch office. My Microsoft OCS would be great, my Movi, my mobile telephone. So now that we've selected all the devices we want to ring when someone calls me at the branch office, I have a few more options, and I simply hit the More button there. And I can control here how long the above devices ring. So here I've selected 25 seconds. They'll ring for 25 seconds. And then over here, I can control what devices will ring if I don't answer. So rings for 25 seconds, no answer. I might want my office telephone to ring after that, and maybe even my office endpoint. Also over on the left, if any of the devices are busy, what devices do I immediately want to ring following that? So perhaps my office telephone again, maybe even my home endpoint as well, or my office endpoint there. So then I hit Save. And now I've created the branch office location, which has all the devices that I want to ring when I'm at that location, as well as the rules that I want them to follow, whether I answer or whether the call is busy.
FindMe is a powerful component of the Tandberg personal video solution. Give it a try.